this. Elton might not.
What I want to do is when you watch the film, you look at it and think, oh, maybe I should have worn that, or I wish I'd worn that, or it was so fantastic anyway.
But everything's on record anyway. I mean, you've got everything.
There's stuff actually.
On to the Honky Cat
Right.
montage. So this
It's
is
all brilliant. It's amazing.
Crystals, and obviously we're redoing
Right. Great, that is.
So this is going to be better than Jazz.
This is great, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is your song. It may be quite simple, but it's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight.
Tell me when you're ready. Yeah, mate, it's not connected.
Bernie Taupin. Yeah, you must be Elton? Yeah. Well, that's my stage name. Bernie Taupin. Yeah. You must be Elton? Yeah. Hi. Well, that's my stage name. Oh, nice. Well, you can tell me your real name. We know each other better.
Another version of it, where you just immediately get engaged and go, you know, play like that. This is also good.
Excellent. Here we go. Thank you very much. Let's turn it. MV.
Hello, Matthew.
How are you? I'm good.
Hi, Dexter.
All right?
Come, yeah, good. Where the group will sit and you will come down this corridor. And he comes in that first. Remember that costume I showed you with it?
Yeah.
Which we can go over and have a look at. And the group were all in here, and really the story takes place here.
Right.
And the retelling of it happens as you retell it to all this group that you're in. So there's lots of circular kind of themes within. So he bursts out into the street, and this is the early Pinner Streets.
Is this Pinner Hill Road?
This is it's actually
Bond Street?
It's up Hatch End, so
It's Hatch End, yeah.
So it's kind of when I say
Same
Pinner, they were
ballpark.
like, it's not Pinner. I know.
Yeah, you messed up there.
It's posher than
It's posher, yes.
It's posher than when I was born. I was born in the council house, so there were just two houses next to each other, terraced, semi-detached, and then another two houses.
Of the pub that you played.
Oh, right, the Northwood Hills.
Northwood Hills,
Right.
our version of it.
Right.
So he would be the old piano at the
piano
back.
would be there.
Yeah, at the back. Here's the doors here, and all the punters and the barman here. And what ends up happening, of course, is that a fight breaks out here.
Right.
That's because it's Saturday night, it's right for a fight, which will show you some of
And
the
there's a
dance
window that
back.
I can dive out of.
There's a window you're going to come out of here, so you have to work. Your kid works his way through the pub.
she's a redneck king. She's got electric boots You'll marry a music man, ballerina. You must have seen her dancing. Now she's in me. Pretty eye, a pirate smile. Laying on the sheets of linen. You've had a busy day today. Laying on the sheets of linen. You've had a busy day today.
When Matthew runs through, just make sure you're all aware of him, keep your focus with him, and let that be the reason you all fold out, all right?
Let's fill it, please.
Your painting's upside down.
Been a problem before, and there isn't one now. There's lots of work and commitment, tours, etc. I mean, that's what I'll be doing, personal management, just taking care of things. You really? You do?
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Blue jean baby, LA lady, a seamstress for the band, a pretty eye, pirate smile. You'll marry a music man. Oh, not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.